Hello guys. It's your girl CamDot7 back again with a new video. Today's video is going to look a bit different because I have been experiencing issues with my Adobe Premiere, and for whatever reason, when I tried to fix the problem, it didn't work. Also, I will not be doing a lettuce talk. I was given an idea from one of my subscribers, shout out to Abigail Chandler by the way, to cover specific topics such as K-pop. And I have decided to go about that in a different way. In today's video, I'm going to Photoshop the screenshot of BlackPink's How You Like That dance practice. I will be photoshopping one of the girls out of the picture to show off my Photoshop skills yo. So without further ado, onto the video. Thank you for watching all the way through the entire video. I know that the quality sucks, but I hope to get this fixed soon. Please like and subscribe, that would be awesome. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next video. CandyOT7 out.